Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I recently picked up the Huawei Band 6 on sale, and my purpose for this watch is to use it for when I'm walking or working to keep track of my time and track my heart rate and step count. So in today's video, I'll go over my experience with using the Huawei Band 6. Let's dive in. The design of the Huawei Band 6 is like a slimmer version of the Apple Watch. The band is made out of plastic with a metal paint coating, and it feels light on the wrist, and it also comes with a silicone strap that is comfortable to wear, and the Band 6 itself is water resistant up to 50 meters in depth for 10 minutes. And there's support for heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measuring, and sleep tracking. And the screen in front here is a 1.47-inch AMOLED display. Need to download the Huawei Health app from the App Store. The first setup took a lot longer than I expected, so you'll need to be patient with the setup. The interface of the app is simple, and it is mainly where you go to for all the information about your health. The Huawei Health app does sync data with Apple's Health app, so you'll see stuff like heart rates or sleep tracking data shared between the two apps. And in terms of update, I have received 4 updates in the last 3 weeks since I started using this Band 6. Huawei advertises Band 6 as a long battery life, but I got around 8 days of battery life with features turned on such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, stress measuring, do not disturb enable, and also notification disable. The performance of the Huawei Band 6 is sufficient, and in most cases, the band has been responsive, except for a few times when I had to tap multiple times for the tap to register. The UI is clean and easy to navigate, and there is one button on the right for accessing the menu and going back. I like features like vibrate to remind you to move around, and a timer, and find my phone, which only works well as long as your Bluetooth is connected to the Band 6. The heart rate sensor will automatically measure your heart rate at a set interval if you enable it from the app. And blood oxygen measuring, or SpO2, is automatically measured, but I can't say how accurate it is with the measuring. The step count is always miscounting my step, and I notice when I'm standing still for about 15 minutes, it will say I have moved around 300 steps, and I'm not sure why this keeps happening. There are other features like music control and notification, but since I am syncing this with an iPhone, these features are not available to iOS. And finally, there are a lot of watch faces to choose from, and depending on the watch faces you apply, you may get additional stats available on your home screen such as heart rate, steps, SpO2, or you just may end up with a watch face that just tells you the time only, if that is your preference. Here's what I really enjoy about using the Huawei Band 6. 1 week plus of battery life. Large AMOLED display. Plenty of watch faces available. Water resistant, detailed sleep tracking and recommendation, syncs with Apple Health app, affordable, quick update, slim and comfortable to wear on the wrist. Here's what I did not like about the Huawei Band 6. iOS has limited functionality. Some of the watch faces look nice but are not that useful. Step count is always off. Sleep tracking is not always right, but that is to be expected. And you will also need to open the app for more detailed information about your sleep tracking. Need to connect to the phone for GPS. The weather app needs to be resynced every day, otherwise it won't show the weather. And the magnetic charger needs to be placed in a certain position in order for the charger to attach to the band to charge it. I have used the Huawei Band 6 for about 3 weeks now. And I only recommend the Huawei Band 6 for anyone who's on a budget and wants some of the features of a smartwatch and a long battery life. The Band 6 is designed to be slim and doesn't take up a lot of space. And when it is on sale, it is a great deal for anyone who's looking for a fitness band that has some of the features of a smartwatch. That concludes the video. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. If this video provided value, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. See you next time.